You just lost the water out of it.
Jesse, is it down on the table? Can you go and have a look for it, sweetie?
What's the verdict on the souvlaki? So this is just your second souvlaki ever, is it?
Yeah. You guys can't believe that, can you?
No.
I told you they don't serve with the kills.
It's a pommy in it, sir.
Well, I reckon you'd find plenty of them in London at the moment.
But you can say, if nothing else, it's the second best souvlaki you've ever had.
Is there any ingredients obviously
We'll
out
take
of
that
it?
claim.
Oh, yeah, I think so.
If you want any more, so can
We might need tomato later if anyone else wants to.
Are you full? Because that's your lunch. Do you want to try souvlaki though? They're yum.